Hello, our dear students. We are going to study lesson 2 in unit 1, non-negative integer powers. You must know the first law in our lesson. Okay. If a over b is a rational number, n and m are non-negative integer powers, so we can say that a over b power n times a over b power m, the same basis we multiply the same basis here, so we add the powers, so it will be a over b power n plus m. So when we multiply the same basis, we add the powers. The second law of our lesson today is if we have a over b is a rational number and a over b not equal 0, n and m are non-negative integer powers also, such as n is greater than or equal m, then we can say that a over b power n divided by a over b power m equal a over b power n minus m. So we can say that when dividing the same basis, we subtract the powers. Okay, when dividing the same basis, we subtract the powers. Law of our lesson today: if we have a over b is a rational number, n and m are non-negative integer powers, then we can say that a over b power n all power m means that we have a over b power n times m. Okay, we multiply the powers here in this case. For example, if we have 3 over 5 power 2 all power 3, so the result will be 3 over 5 all power 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Another example, if we have negative 1 over 2 power 2 all power 3, so it will be negative 1 over 2 all power 2 times 3 is 6. 6 is an even power, so it will remove the negative sign, so it will be 1 over 2 power 6 only. Over 2 power 2 all power 2 will be negative 2, and 1 over 2 power 2 times 2 is 4, so it will be negative 2 and 1 over 2 power 4. The even power will remove the negative sign, so it will be 2 and 1 over 2 all power 4, which is equal 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 over 2 all power 4, which is equal 5 over 4, 5 power 4 over 2 power 4. We distribute the power among the numerator and the denominator as we said before in lesson 1, so it will be 625 over 16. In the mixed form it will be 39 and 1 over 16 in the simplest form. If we have x power 2 over y power 3 all to the power 3, we distribute the external power 3 among the numerator and denominator as follows. So it will be x power 2 times 3 over y power 3 times 3, which is equal x power 6 over y power 6. Another example, if x equal half and y equal negative 3, also z is 3 over 2. Find the following in the simplest form: x power 2 z over y all to the power 2, so it will be x power 4 z power 2 over y to the power 2. Now by substituting the values of x, y and z by its values in this form, so it will be 1 over 2 power 4 times 3 over 2 power 2 negative 3 over 4 power 2 equals 1 over 16 times 9 over 4 divided by 3 power 2 over 4 power 2 equals 1 over 16 times 9 over 4 over 9 over 16. The last form will be 9 over 64 divided by 9 over 16 Yes, by dividing these numbers together, we said that we change the divide sign, the division sign to the multiplication sign, and also write the multiplicative inverse of the number after division sign, so it will be 9 over 64 times 16 over 9, which is equal 1 over 4 in the simplest form.